Hello guys and welcome to our event handler section. So let's start. Once again, inside our handlers folder we need to make a file and its name will be event handler.js. Don't forget that we need this name to be the same like this name. So let's start with our constants first. Const fs equals require fs. Next one, const path equals require node path. Actually we need this to put inside quotes. And let's start with our module. So module.exports equals client goes to this equal with this symbol, let's say this symbol like arrow. We in programming languages we are call goes to. So goes to more constants. As you will see, the code is pretty much the same like our command handler with some modifications. So it's not really something new. So parent folder's path equals path dot join two parameters, dir name and second parameter these two dots. Second constant events path equals path dot join parents folder path events. Next, const event files equals fs dot read dir sync sync, and we need as a parameter events path dot filter file goes to just a moment, sorry, file goes to file dot ends with dot js. Okay, now let's start with our try catch. Yeah, so try console log let's say what we can put here, 2 loading event files. So now it's time for our for loop like we did in the previous lecture. Const file of event files we need some constants inside here. File path equals to path dot join events path and first parameter and file as second parameter. Const event equals require what we need here. Of course, we need our file path. So the next two constants will be for file size, are not necessary. File path as parameter, and finally const to KB. This is for kilobytes. File stats dot size divide with 0 to 4 dot to fixed 2. This to fixed 2 is for decimal. That means that we need 2 digits after decimal. So, if statement now. If event dot once client dot once event dot name it goes to event dot execute acts, else client on event name. I will explain this after finish coding. Args goes to event dot execute, and of course args. Just a moment, we have some bad things here. Yeah, we need these 3 dots at the beginning. After our if statement, we can console log our file with its size 2 KB, file loaded successfully. After we finish, we can console log that all our events are loaded successfully. All event files are loaded successfully, and in case of error, of course, console log, let's say that there was an error loading event files. Also put this /n here and put it also here. Okay, this is our event handler. As you can see, the most of the code is the same like our commands handler. The only difference is this if statement here. So let's explain. We say that in case of an event, okay, what we need to do, client dot once take event name and all its arguments and execute the event with all its arguments. So this is the first case, and this is the second case if we have client.on, because there are two ways to use events. The first way is client.once and our code, and the second way is client.on and our code. So with this piece of code here, we are covered for both of the cases. That was it about our events handler. I will see you in the next lecture, where we will see our /command handler. See you there.